Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the news. Before we start, let us first look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi takes stock of situation trapped workers in Silk Yara Tunnel, Uttarakhand. Government to call Northeast Petroleum Union for talks tomorrow. Ministers ask citizens not to panic. KHADC CEM seeks report on list of toll gates operated by council. Nongstoin gets its first eco-park cum resort, a tranquil escape for the residents of West Khasi Hills. Hotel Polo Towers hold cake mixing ceremony with an aim to bring community together. The news in details. Prime Minister Narendra Modi took stock of the relief and rescue operation being carried out to rescue 41 workers trapped in the collapsed Silk Yara tunnel in Uttarkashi district of Uttarakhand. Speaking with the Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami on the phone, the Prime Minister gave instruction to take special care of the safety of the workers trapped inside the tunnel, as well as the people engaged in rescue work. Meghalaya government has called the Northeast Petroleum Mazdoor Union for talks in Nongpo on Wednesday. Minister in charge of Food and Civil Supplies, Kamingwan Mbon, assured the citizens and said there is sufficient stock of petroleum in the state. It may be mentioned that the Northeast Petroleum Mazdoor Union has announced that they no longer be transporting petroleum products into Meghalaya from November 29th. In protest against Meghalaya police alleging the former of torturing and intimidating oil tankers, drivers and attendants.
I request all the people of the state not to panic because as of now, these petrol retailers, they have to stop. Till today they will have the load. I don't think there will be a problem regarding this. As of now, we cannot say anything regarding that. Because as of now, we have to stop. Fully we have to stop. Then tomorrow we will have the meeting in Petrol, in South by 12 o'clock. I think they will solve all this problem.
The Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Pinyat Singh CM, informed has sought a report from the Secretary of Executive Committee on the list of toll gates operated by the council. CM said it will be difficult for the present EC to clearly provide the total number of operational toll gates, but assured that the new EC will take all possible steps to ensure that no illegal toll gates are allowed to operate. He further added that they are on the job to prepare the working plan to submit to the state government. The KHADC had earlier said it would not hesitate to shut down any toll gates that is found collecting taxes illegally.
But we don't memiliki EDCs buat KPWD department. Dan hakimi ke komiti tanpa ketua benak syenti ini melalui dan meeting lah kumba arsil. Dan kami komiti kadai kebopek banyak terpang yakini kita gates.
After a delay of almost 2 months since the election of the new state president, the Bharatiya Janata Party Meghalaya Pradesh on Monday announced the new executive committee that has been approved by the national leaders BJP Meghalaya State President Rickmin Momin, who announced the names informed that the new EC comprises of 6 state vice presidents, 2 general secretaries, 6 secretaries, a treasurer, a Mahila Morcha state president.
Vice President is Mr. Bernard Parab, Crow Gokringen, Basumay, Wankibok, Posna, Sri Dipul Marak, Sri Gaganjen, and Srimati Priya Samma. These are the 6 vice presidents. The general secretaries are Dr. Everest Singh and Lapan Bian. So these are the office bearer which has been approved by the central office.
The Hinyo Trep Achik National Movement, Western Ribhoi, on Monday raised concerns regarding the ongoing construction of a road by Assam in Baklapara village situated under Himanongspung in Ribhoi district. The HANM alleged the Assam government on disregarding opposition from Himanongspung. The HANM leaders claim that the ongoing border settlement for the second phase further complicates the situation. They inform that they will be submitting a memorandum in this regard to KHADC and the Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi District, seeking their immediate intervention.
Shaki board juga sokar ban DP nomor kumbalong minta ga sokar Assam konra ki kamboy hapo ga iman school nomor hapdeng dajinya penbe ku Assam kumno ga sokar Assam kala monra ki kamboy de nomor kata ga suknya ga bujur liwan biang sa chisin penpau shaki lat tai kubor kunju shaka sokar Meghalaya kenang wa sokar Meghalaya kan le kloina ban pensengai chua kita ki kamboy nomor kani baru ada gajing fil ha preng chongki arliang gajingnya pembikut napok Assam napok Meghalaya.
Nongstoin town, the headquarters of West Khasi Hills district, got its first eco park on Monday with the formal inauguration of the Mata Eco Park cum resort at Pingsior, Mau Rosyar in Nongstoin. The eco park cum resort, named after its owner Martyr Kharjarin, offers a tranquil escape for the residents of West Khasi Hills and beyond, providing a haven of relaxation and leisure amidst picturesque surroundings. Here's a report.
Poised to attract visitors from far and wide, the Mata Eco Park cum Resort contributes to the region's economic growth and cultural enrichment. It boasts of an array of amenities to cater to the diverse interests, including swings, trampolines, kayaking facilities, a children's swimming pool, and a restaurant. Visitors can indulge in various recreational activities while enjoying the serene ambience of the park.
Kami kapak pedeng in pli hot kaji pli kadeng tak sini dari ngilak layak si benai tu ngilak ngilak susah ya ki para marjan ki para snong nang ni nang stoin ma bakin wan kai namar ban ban jaka saya ru bakin let kai ma takadau lawan ni te ladang ngin phalai no ki ru ni sko te takadau ki ladon ki plok da ajung mut nang ni nasional hiba to sim no daki sim no mo ya ka bain tri ni tai nang tai ki jing kai takadau nang ni la ekra sutu ba kasinong ru te takadau la susah tu ya ki perlok bakin wan.
Known for his philanthropic activities, Kharjarin's act of kindness underscores the park's commitment to fostering social responsibility and uplifting the lives of those in need. This park will not only serve as a recreational hub but also generates employment opportunities for the local community.
Beliau ki bawan kai ma perlu projer ki bahaban siu ki don hadu samtli ndo tli ki ba ki hap siu mo ki don ki ba lai thau ki don ki ba san thau ki don ki ba sispa ru tang kawai ka ba sispa ka ba khamram re ki don ki free ru ki ba ngila pen khe kum ki swing ki sok doi kum tu ma te kita ki de ki free bat kin don su ki free ru ki ba ngila sedang ban pen khe ban yu biang kan ban mai biang ban wara biang.
The inauguration ceremony, attended by former Nongstoin MLA Macmillan Bersad, was enriched by the melodious tunes of Nongstoin-based artists who captivated the audience with their soulful performances. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.
A 5-day workshop on capacity building training of public library personnel kick-started at Northeastern Hill University today. Attending the event as chief guest, Voice of the People Party MLA Bright Sirwell Marbanyang, hoped that the capacity building program will equip the participants with the skill to be resourceful persons and contribute to the growth of the community at large. Also, the present at the event was Commissioner and Secretary of the Government of Meghalaya Arts and Culture Department, Frederick Kharkangor. The annual cake mixing ceremony was held at Hotel Polo Towers, Shillong today. Enveloping the air with the enchanting fragrance of delightful holiday cheer, Kishan Teburwala, the chairman and MD at Hotel Polo Towers Group, said that the cake mixing ceremony is a tradition-old ceremony which is practiced all over the world. He said that the involvement of friends and relatives in this is to make the community a fair. Various social organizations of Riboy district on Monday evening felicitated the arm wrestlers of Meghalaya who participated in the recently concluded Asian Arm Wrestling Championship held on the 17th till the 25th of November in Uzbekistan. Mentionable among the contingent of the Meghalaya arm wrestlers who represented India at the tournament, 3 bagged bronze medal and 2 managed to reach the 5th and 7th position of various weight categories. Meanwhile, petrol pumps across the city witnessed a massive rush of vehicles thronging the petrol pump to fill up the tanks following the report of petroleum strike called by the Northeast Petroleum Mazdoor Union starting tomorrow. And now we're going to look at the weather report. Maximum temperature recorded is 21.8 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature recorded is 12.5 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 51%. Relative humidity in the evening was 56%. Dry weather with shallow to moderate fog is very likely to occur at isolated places. And now we're going to look at the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi takes stock of situation of trapped workers in Silkyara Tunnel, Uttarakhand. Government to call Northeast Petroleum Union for talks tomorrow. Minister asks citizen not to panic. KHEDC CEM seeks report on the list of toll gates operated by council. Nongstoin gets its first Eco Park cum resort, a tranquil escape for the residents of West Khasi Hills. Hotel Polo Towers held cake mixing ceremony with the aim to bring community together. And now we've reached the end of the segment. Until we meet again tomorrow, same time, same channel. Thank you.